Breakfast!
Hi, I'm Ryan Herberman.
I'm Chris Musselman.
I'm Max Cohen, and it's breakfast time.
Today we're making pancakes.
Pancakes were originally made in Greece.
Although they were originally made in Greece, many cultures have adopted them, including Norway.
And pancakes, we're going to need to start with the basics. Add the flour in,
We need some butter.
And don't forget the milk.
maybe a few eggs. We're just
Just
kidding.
kidding.
Alright, so let's start with the pancake mix. First we need 2 cups of original Bisquick mix.
Easy.
Alright. There's 1. And 2.
Now we're going to need 1 cup of milk.
Here's the milk, Chris.
Preferably fat-free. 1 cup. Now what do we need, Ryan?
I don't know, Chris. Now we need 2 eggs. Want to do
I'll
one?
do 1 too, Ryan.
All
What do
right.
you want to do? Great job, Max. Great job.
Great mixing, Chris.
Oh,
Great.
beautiful, guys.
Don't
Don't forget to
Beautiful,
dispose
honestly.
of the eggshell.
Yep. You don't want to make a mess while doing this. All right, guys.
So once we've had this, you want to let it stir for a little bit.
Always good to get a spoon or a knife of some sort to stir it up.
I would suggest a spoon. What knife?
You want to stir it until it's all dissolved and mixed together.
Like, why not? Okay, now that we have our pancake batter, we need to somehow convert that into light and fluffy pancakes. And in order to do so, we need some source of heat, in which, our case, we're going to use combustion. Now, a combustion reaction, which we are going to use from our gas top stove, happens when a hydrocarbon, along with oxygen gas, in which case, from our gas top stove we use propane, or C3H8, is combined with some kind of ignition, and it produces an exothermic reaction. And in this exothermic reaction, there are 3 products, and those 3 products are carbon dioxide, water, and heat. And the heat energy given off from the reaction is used to therefore cook our pancakes.
Now that we have our heat from our combustion reaction, the phenomenon that allows us to do this is heat capacity, which is the amount of heat energy to raise our substance by 1 degrees. And the heat capacity of this cast iron skillet is 0.46 joules per gram centigrade. The reason we like to use this cast iron skillet is because it has a lower heat capacity compared to iron or any other skillets in this household.
The reason that you're able to make pancakes is because of heat transfer. Heat transfer is essentially when one energy form transfers its energy to another. In this circumstance, we use the energy transfer called conduction. Conduction is essentially when one source of energy is in direct contact with another. So when we make pancakes, the fire heats up the pan, the cast iron pan, and the pan in turn heats up the pancakes. And that's conduction.
Now let's begin by pouring the pancake batter into our pan.
Into our pan that is buttered up.
We're going to make
butter.
one big pancake.
Now this is what we like to call a giant pancake.
Or a jam pan.
Yeah. Most called jam bake.
Alright, let's get this jam cake going. Now, as you can see, we have made our pancake. I cannot wait to eat this pancake. Look at how delicious and brown that is.
Yum. That looks good.
Now we did have to reduce the size a little for cooking purposes, but it turned out great.
Oh! From us to you, here at the Max Cohen household, we'd like to thank you for tuning in to today's episode of Mornings with Max.
And Chris.
and Chris, and Ryan.
See you later, guys.
See you later.
Thank you.
Keep it happy.
Okay, now that this pancake is ready to be flipped, we will begin flipping it so that the other side gets to be.
So this is a specialty called scrambled pancakes,
Pancake scramble.
and it's where you turn the pancake into the
Scramble.
aspect of eggs. All right.
Exactly.
We learned this
The
when
lazy
eggs
man
were
thing.
introduced to America. And
Dude, we are not about to pass this.
make another pancake.